Hey, what's up, YouTube? Just want to show you some 2015 leftovers I'm gonna be shooting for this year. I got a case of Zombies Revenge. Everyone knows these bad boys. I got 3 Candy Crushes, 3 Minions Revenge, both great cakes. I got, everyone knows these, Ghost Warrior Rockets. Just one of those left. I got Packing Pyro Roman Candles as extra last year by Duck Commander brand. It's that Duck Dynasty show or whatever. I also got one of these left, Bad Blood. I got 4 Venoms. I'll be getting more of these bad boys soon. And some Salute shells from a couple years ago. But that's all I got for right now. I'll be adding to it soon. If you guys have any suggestions on what to get, let me know. Alright, peace out.